hello team, and welcome to another sponsored content, brought to you by
the good people at TONOR Microphone, my good friends.
Join me as we take a look at this wonderful
TONOR Microphone
and see if it's any good. That's what's coming up today, Studio-214. Let's show them what we've got. It's the BM-700, which is a super unfortunate name. BM, alright. This handsome unit comes with all the bells and whistles, a scissor arm to adjust the position, a shock mount, all the cables, phantom power source. Phantom power, eh? Seems a mite bit spooky. Spooky awesome, Greg. All this for the low, low price of whatever Amazon is charging for it right now. Too late. Wait, what? Why? We passed it. When? Just now. Well, go back to then. When? Now. Now? Now. I can't. Why? We missed it. When? Just now. What? When will then be now? Soon. You see, now is now then. Why? We just passed it. When? Just now. What? Oh, thank you. Who? So these accessories are pretty nifty, I'm not gonna lie. The scissor arm and shock mount are legit. The wires go through the arm instead of around, which is good for cable management. Kind of a cool idea. The mic comes with a foam prophylactic for the tip. And this thing. What the hell is this thing? So this is the pop filter. How does it work? Let me show you. These directions are a bad translation, but if I'm seeing it right, it goes like this. You see, what you do is take the pop filter, attach it to your music stand, put a bowl under it. This wasn't in the instructions, but to keep things tidy, I'm gonna use orange pop for color contrast. By Jove, it works! This must be how they make diet soda. They filter the sugar out. Yeah. Now let's find out how this thing sounds. The TONOR BM-700. Turn the logo towards the sound source. Not like those arrogant Sennheiser a-holes with logo out. I'm playing through my Fender Hot Rod. I'm playing a Strat with single coils through HX effects. Let's watch. Dang decent sounds and lovely tones. It's a little glassy, and by that I mean the high end is a bit pronounced, but that can be fixed with some EQ. All in all, not a bad little mic. It comes with some cool and useful accessories, and the price is right. Thanks for watching, everyone.